All right, let's take a look at how do we take a t-shirt apart. We call it harvesting, and what we're referring to is actually taking the shirt and getting this neckband off, because the neckbands are like gold to us and hard to find in the marketplace. So what we're going to do is we're going to start out first. If you look at a shirt, now this one's a little holy, but it still has valuable parts on it. What I want you to do is have the shirt so the back is toward you, and then you'll know where the left shoulder is. We're going to assume this is assembled like 90% of the shirts, and this will work. We're going to go to the left shoulder, and we're going to open it up right here. And we're doing this because inside, making your shirt comfortable, is this little piece of fabric called a comfort strip, or that's what we call it. And see this, the reason I made that hole was the comfort strip would have been stitched down, and I need that to come free. So then what I'm going to do is just take my seam ripper, and I'm going to free up that last ½ inch or so of the comfort strip. Just all I did was stick it in there, cut it, okay? Then I'm going to go to the outside and get a hold of these two strings. I've been fixing sewing machines all morning, so apologize for my fingers being dirty. All right, now you see how one is willingly coming off and the other one got stuck. When it gets stuck, if you would just take and pull like that, apply some pressure and pull, sometimes that will free it up. Oh, good deal, it did. All right, then we're just going to go all the way across. And you know, if you do this, you will have a lot less mess in your lap. Now, one is going well, one got stuck. I tried this, that didn't help. So what I'm going to do is try doing like that. Nope, I'm going to have you look and see. The problem is there was another step. There's these 2 rows of stitching right here and here. They go all the way around the front. It stitched this string down, so I'm actually just going to use the seam ripper and get it free. Alright, so I ended up ripping it. Now what we're going to do, we got a seam ripper handy, right? Just come on in there. And once we get past where this stitching was, I shouldn't have that trouble anymore, so let's see. Look at that. Voila. Now, on the other end, I didn't open that one up, right? So I'm going to show you. Without opening that seam up on the shoulder of the shirt, I can't remove this. And we do actually use these, so let's go ahead and just use our seam ripper and get that removed. Now, before we end this video, I want you to know that you do need to clean these up so that the girls using them don't have to do it for you. Right? So just get in there, get the other side of that string, put it in your pile. One comfort strip removed. Stay tuned for part 2.